All right, guys, we're going to learn a Jimmy Buffett song today, Boat Drinks. Let's take a listen. All right, guys, I am Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who want to learn to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. That's what I'm here for. Let's get started with this part one lesson. All right, so if we look at the board here, we do have some chords that the guitar starts with. This is from a live version that Jimmy does in a ballpark stadium somewhere, and he's in his Bermuda shorts and of course bare feet and just playing it up, and you just feel like going on a vacation every time you hear one of his songs. And he starts with a guitar, so we're going to show how to strum the guitar here on the piano, but there's actually a very prominent piano part in this. A lot of piano fills, lots of neat things to do, especially that part I played for you at the end. Bum, 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 bum. We'll learn how to do that. And so we'll get started with this part one lesson. Let's take a look at the board. All right, we do have some chords to start with. I will say, if you are a complete beginner or you are new to my method, I really recommend my Easy Piano Lesson series, which can be found by going to webpianoteacher.com, clicking WPT University at the top, and that'll just start you off from ground zero so you can get used to how I do things, get some basics down. All right, so let's get to the chords. A, D, F sharp on the right. Here's middle C, so I'm right here. I'm going to use fingers 1, 2, 4 for that. Left hand's going to be on a D octave, okay? So let's just do the chords first, and then we'll put some rhythm to them, okay? Bum, bum. Then we go to a G chord. The G chord is not that far away from the D. B, D, G with 1, 2, 5. Left hand on a G octave. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then let's do the next chord, A, C sharp, E. The next measure, left hand on an A octave. Okay, and then count 4, we just move it down to the left, G, B, D, left hand on a G. So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, da, 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 da. Okay, now putting some rhythm to that after we practice this, da, 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 about, right, so, say, well, what are you doing exactly there? Well, the idea is not to copy exactly what I'm doing and be a robot, but learn the style, learn the technique of doing this. So what I recommend, listen to the song, just put your hands on a desk or some bongos or something. Dun, 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 dun. You can't go wrong with just beating on a desk like this. Then transfer that to the piano. The only rule, there's two rules. One, you have to play the notes that we're already playing, and the other rule is make sure you change on time for the next one. So, right, those are the guitar chords, and I'm just strumming the guitar on piano. All right, it may take you a good long while to really get used to doing that vamping. But you just have to, one of those things, you just jump in there and keep trying, and eventually it'll start working for you. All right, and that's all you have to do it, because once we get here, the piano comes in and we can do our piano stuff. Some neat piano things there I'm going to show you. Next measure, A, D, F sharp. We're back on the same chord we started with, D chord. Now this is a D chord up here as well, but we had an E mixed in. The notes are D, E, F sharp, A with 1, 2, 3, 5. Roll it from top to bottom. So it's 1, A, D at the end. So 1, 1, 4. Now we have, so here we have a G in the left, and the right hand goes G, B, D. We go to an A in the left, the right hand will do B, C sharp. I like to put an E on top. I don't hear the piano player do that in this version, but I like to put that in there. Maybe he did put it in there and I didn't hear it. I like to put an E on the top when I play that B. All right, so from the beginning, and 2, and ready, and go. All right, guys, so we do learn all of this. There's lots of piano stuff. This is just the tip of the iceberg here in this part 1 lesson. Remember, when you are a member, you can download the sheets for this. That's a big help to you. And you can put it on a big screen and zoom in or zoom out according to your needs, or even print out the sheet music so you can have something to look at while you're practicing. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the part 1 lesson. Talk to you later.